Hello everyone! Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Yes, it's letter T. T like Tiggy Tiger. Now let's look at this picture. Oh, we have so many things that start with letter T. Come on, let's say the pictures. T as truck. T like tower. Tomato. T like train. T tadpole. Turtle. Torch. Turkey. Like tractor. Taxi. Tent. And tooth. Now, are you ready to play a game with me? We have to find the object that starts with letter T. I'm going to say each picture out loud. You're going to jump if the picture starts with letter T. Okay, you're going to jump really high. Let's start with the first picture. Turtle. Does it start with letter T? Yes! Come on, jump! Jump, jump, jump! Good job! Now let's go to the second picture. Giraffe. Does it start with letter T? No. Lemon. Does it start with letter T? Do you hear T sound at the beginning? No, you're right. Now let's look here. That's a train. Train. Do you hear the T sound at the beginning? Yes, come on, my friend. Jump, jump. Now let's see. Tiger. Does it start with letter T? Yes, come on, jump. Now let's look at this picture. Snake. Does it start with letter T? No, you are right, my friend. Now let's see. What about this one? Tomato. Yes, you're right. Jump. Hot dog. Does it start with letter T? No. Toucan. Does it start with letter T? Yes, come on, jump, jump. Are you tired? You know what? You did an awesome job, my friend. Now let's see what we have to do right here. Here, we have to find the lowercase t. Can you do that? Let's do it together. Here we go. Is this letter T? No. Is this letter T? Yes. Let's make a circle. Here we go. Is this letter T? No. This one. No, no. This one. Yes. Let's make a circle. This one. Not really. Not this one. It's this one. Yes. Here we go. What about this one? Yes, that's lowercase t. Is this letter T? No. This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yes, I still see one more T. Here we go. You did it, my friend. Did you have fun today? Wait for me next time to learn about other letters. See you later, alligators.